Well, we just got here to the property. I hear some noise. Maybe they're putting the roof on the Bayakubo. Oh, wow. See that big pile of grass over there? That's it. Cut what? Yeah, somebody was in there cutting weeds. Make sure I don't fall down. Wow! What did you do? My goodness! Looks like Gilligan's Island. Wow, Ben and Christian, you guys did a good job. I think it needs a haircut. Wow. I think it needs a haircut.
You need to buy insulation today.
Yeah, we'll insulate. Looks kind of. I like it. What are you building down there, Ben? What is that?
Door.
A pipe?
Door.
Oh, a hinge. A bamboo hinge. For a door, yeah. Wow. That's native. Cool. We just got our log cabin done in Missouri, and we decided to leave and experience island life. And amazingly, this grass roof does not leak a drop when it rains. At least that's what Christian said.
Dali ra kay ka. Kamo nagkagda ka ron na niya disugda o gahapon.
Umulan.
Huh?
Oh, I asked if when they start put the roof on. Yesterday after the rain.
Oh. Hey, are they gonna burn this pile of brush here? Right next to the
Yeah, di pa sunog na niya.
grass roof?
Oh, yan. Mainit na.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Ha?
See ya.
See